Set amidst the beautiful landscape, this container property blends recycled materials and imaginative design concepts, resulting in a home that exudes eco-friendly charm and charisma. The open-plan living features a modern galley-style kitchen. The thoughtfully designed kitchen features a practical wooden benchtop, stainless steel appliances, under-the-counter storage cabinets, and overhead storage shelves. In between the kitchen and the lounge area is a fireplace that keeps the home warm during colder months. From the fireplace is a simple dining area that can comfortably sit four. Past the dining is a rustic lounge area fitted with a comfortable sofa, a custom coffee table, a floor mat to define the lounge space, a portable bar, and musical instruments for entertainment. On one end of the living room is the first bedroom. It is fitted with a cozy double bed and decorated with small pieces of furniture to focus primarily on rest. The bathroom provides a haven of comfort and convenience. Opposite the living area is the second bedroom. It is nicely furnished with a double bed and bedside lamps. The second bathroom features a shower cubicle, a toilet, and a sink. The third bedroom is accommodated in the remaining space of the container. This container house has ideal spots to relax and soak up the ambience of this rural living. The grooves of the raw container walls are visible throughout the exterior, bringing out the industrial charm of the house. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase these kind of projects and amazing shipping container homes from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. On this channel, we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.